Today, we're embarking on a fiery experiment, exploring the transformation of a humble piece of ginger through the power of fire. As we apply heat to the ginger, we'll witness a series of fascinating changes. The first noticeable effect is the release of aromatic compounds, which give ginger its distinctive pungent and slightly sweet scent. The heat causes the water content within the ginger to evaporate, leading to the dehydration of the outer layers. This process concentrates the remaining compounds, intensifying the flavors. As the temperature rises, the ginger undergoes a process called pyrolysis, where organic matter breaks down into simpler compounds. This process releases various gases, including carbon dioxide and water vapor. Whoa! The ginger root is now smoldering and glowing. This unexpected burst of energy is a testament to the power of chemical reactions within this seemingly simple root. Incredible. By observing the transformation of ginger through fire, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex chemical composition of this potent root. This knowledge can be applied to various fields, from cooking to traditional medicine. The insights gained from this experiment can help us appreciate the intricate nature of organic matter and its interactions with heat. So, the next time you savor a dish with ginger, remember the hidden potential within. From a vibrant, flavorful root to a fiery spectacle, ginger's transformation is a testament to the power of nature. What other everyday objects could we explore through the lens of fire? Let's continue our scientific journey and uncover the hidden secrets within. A deeper dive into the health benefits of ginger. Ginger is not only a culinary delight, but also a powerful medicinal herb. It's a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's explore the various health benefits of consuming ginger. A discussion of the culinary uses of ginger. Ginger is a versatile ingredient used in cuisines worldwide. Let's explore the diverse culinary uses of ginger. From stir-fries and soups to teas and desserts, a look at the environmental impact of ginger cultivation. While ginger is a valuable crop, it's important to consider the environmental impact of its cultivation. Let's discuss the challenges and opportunities in sustainable ginger farming. A historical overview of ginger cultivation and use in traditional medicine. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems across the globe. Let's explore the historical and cultural significance of ginger in various cultures. A discussion of the potential of ginger as a renewable resource. Beyond its culinary and medicinal uses, ginger offers potential as a renewable resource. Let's explore the possibilities of using ginger-derived products as biofuels or other sustainable materials. As we conclude our fiery exploration of ginger, let's ponder the endless possibilities of scientific inquiry. What other questions can we answer through experimentation and observation?
Nó lúc sau mà